The fruit can be used to grow a chayote plant. They will be available this fall. Choose ripe, unblemished fruit. Pick any that have turned brown and rot. On the market, there are two types of chayote. Chayote with spines. Chayote with a smooth texture. Don't get pierced by the spiny apple. Wear gloves or choose a non-spiny one. Keep your chayote away from direct sunlight and other elements that can cause mold. Within a few days, a small green shoot should emerge from the end opposite the attached stem. Take garden soil in plastic small bags and put one bottom-cut chayote place in it. It is best to do this in the spring, before the average frost date in the area. If the fruit is buried too deeply, it will rot. It is best to use a soil mix that is evenly moistened and contains equal parts perlite and peat moss. If you want to keep the pot indoors, keep it at least 1 to 2 feet away from a west-facing or south-facing window. Please subscribe to our amazing garden channel for more update. Sow all the bags fill with soil properly and cover the bottom. The plants will need to be watered on a regular basis, but not so much that the soil becomes too dry. After 2 weeks, stems growing with time. Chayote grows best in pots that are at least 24 inches tall. This is a viable option. Keep an eye on soil moisture and fertilize your plants once a month with liquid fertilizer. The chayote vine is enormous. Chayote has the potential to take over an entire region. Mix the soil with rice husk. Use organic fertilizers and mix with already mixture. Use 4 bottom-cutted gallons and fill with that mixture. Place them some inches up from ground with supportive stones. After 20 days, make the holes in mixture-filled gallons and places those growing chayotes with cut plastic from side. Use our plant grow kits such as Premium Full Spectrum LED Grow Lights, Square Hydroponic System net cups. Watered properly daily. Put half-cutted gallons on the top the tubs to cover. Fix the 2-foot wood sticks with gallons. Attach bottom-cutted bottles with those sticks and put water in bottles. A tube which attach with bottles watering the system continuously. made a wooden stand to cover them from extra heat. Chayote squash plants begin flowering and fruiting about 90 days after planting. This is most common in the summer. Both feminine and male flowers can be produced by the chayote petal flower. They, like their squash, pumpkin, and marrow cousins, are pollinated by natural pollinators. Make them fresh with digging the sides around the plant. Again, use organic fertilizer. Water the deep side of plant between stem by small tube. Plants grow with time and reaching the top of wooden stand. In contrast to these vibrant, large flowers, the chayote produces tiny yellow flowers with 5 to 6 petals. With span of 60 days, it goes to its best age. Flowers are opening with yellow colors. Concentration of chayote gone excessively increasing. Cutting the old leaves by garden scissors. After 75 days, chayote fruits are ready. Mulch your chayote tree with 10 to 12 inches of mulch in cool climates. This mulch can be used as a perennial to mulch the chayote after it has been harvested, but before it freezes. During their lives, chayotes can produce a variety of fruits. A single vine will produce enough fruit for a family. Harvesting is possible once the fruits reach a height of 4 to 6 inches and a light greenish color. A sharp knife should be used to cut the chayote from the vine. This should be done before the fruit hardens. Pull the fruit from the vine gently. You can also cut the fruit with a knife or hand pruners. Harvesting the fruit with gloves is recommended because it can cause skin irritation.